rained for 2 days and I got a carpet of mulberry. I don't know how it rained in March, but it has rained and there is a carpet of mulberry everywhere. Mulberry is actually very rich in iron and vitamin C, like the blueberries we have been listening, but their sugar is very less. The glycemic index is less. The glycemic index is pretty less. These are about to ripe. These will be, the pink ones are sour. When they turn black, they are sweet. So right now the mulberries are all down post rain. I'm just wondering, what do we do? It's raining mulberries everywhere. Though there is a craze for blueberries these days, but then the sugar index, the glycemic index for mulberry is more. The sugar content, not in mulberry, sorry, the blueberries. The blueberries have more sugar compared to our Indian mulberry. So quite healthy, but it seems nobody wants, because everybody is behind how it goes in the West. Everybody is more interested in what the West is eating. Busy copying West. So after a long, in my childhood, I have seen this one big mulberry plant in my neighborhood that used to have thin and the longer one. This plant I got from a nursery, I think around 2-3 years back. And interestingly, it started to have fruits, I think from the coming year itself. So very fast growing, and I love this, the quantity they give, you know. So my son has started a charity on his name, and he's sharing it with the kids from across the boundary. So I love my mulberries more for helping to inspire my son towards charity, towards sharing.